Today is the premiere of the strongest and fastest electric car ever produced by the BMW Group, the BMW iX M60. I love the sound. By the way, did you know the BMW iX M60 has the same performance like the BMW X5M, but with zero emissions? To sum it up, the BMW iX M60 is the essence of three worlds: BMW i, BMW X, and of course BMW M. And with the BMW iX M60, the ultimate driving machine meets the ultimate digital experience. And that applies to all future cars of BMW. What does that mean? Find out now. You think that's just a trick? No, this is. I think I'll stick with that. The BMW iX Flow featuring e-ink is the approach to bring the body of the car to life. But
in the future, BMW customers may change the color of their car with the push of a button. We're bringing personalization to unforeseen levels. When we were developing this car, we worked many days and nights on this car, and I remember at the end of one work day, I left the car running, just pulsing. And I left it running all night as a robustness test. When I came back in the morning, 6 o'clock, I just looked at the car and it was like it's alive. Can benefit our customers in a number of ways. First is personalization. You choose the clothes you wear, you choose your social media status, and you can choose the color of your car. Second is information. For example, if your battery status is full, in the case of car sharing, if a car is free, if it's clean, if you've lost your car in a parking lot, we can make it flash so you can detect it in your peripheral vision. A third benefit is functional. By changing color, we can change sunlight reflection and thus change the thermal properties of the car. We can essentially change the color of the car to support our sustainability goals. With the BMW iX Flow, we're bringing the digital soul of BMW to the exterior. It's new, it's never been done, it's unexpected, it's magical.